Hey y'all, happy, what day is it? Happy Monday. Tuesday. Because yesterday was Martin Luther King's Day.
It's snowing your hair.
Oh, happy Tuesday.
And
it's snowing in Georgia. It's snowing. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And it's snowing. I can't believe it's snowing. They said it's a chance to snow, and we got it. Yeah.
What?
Look at how beautiful it is. It's literally ice. Zay just was panicking.
It's a bug.
It's ice. It's just frozen precipitation. Ooh. Hey. Oh my God. Oh, we might be in trouble, y'all. We might be in some trouble. They might go. Oh, look at the little ice patch. The little ice patch back there. Whew. We have to leave the dogs inside because they'll be spazzing out. We're going to let them come out when the snow piles up and just let their feet touch the ground. Look at them. Oh my God, if only she knew. Oh. Oh no, he took a leak. Oh my goodness.
Look at these.
This is 7's second time in the snow. Let's see, Rosalia. We got some snow and it does melt, you guys. I know we see something on YouTube where the snow is not melting.
It's melting.
Let me see. It's literally ice. It's melting. Yeah, it's amazing. This is 7's second time getting snow in her entire life.
But it's the only time that I probably will remember it.
And this is like Naylani and Cecilia's third time, right, y'all? Something like that. Yeah, we're finally getting snow. I'm just a girl from Georgia who rarely gets snow. So, yeah, we're excited. People in Georgia, it's finally, like mid to southern Georgia, it's finally getting snow. Oh my God, y'all, Florida is supposed to get snow too. So I'm so happy for my Floridians. Is that what they call it? Oh, they're having like a bark down, baby.
They're having a trip out.
They're tripping out. Can y'all see the snow in my hair? Can y'all see the snow?
Yeah.
Ooh, I was like, I'm not gonna put on a hood because I want to actually like see this in my hair. But I hope you guys are enjoying the snow and the beautiful day. It's honestly not that cold.
Can we walk down there?
Let's go to the patch.
No, all the way down there to that building.
Oh, I don't know. We can go see this patch of snow right here. Ooh.
All the snow in the ground.
I'm surprised, like, it's not many kids out. I guess they're like, it's cold. So I guess they're like, girl, bump that. We're not going to be outside. It's not even worth it. It is. It's worth being out here.
Cold.
My fingers are freezing. My fingers are freezing too. This is the little patch of ice. Well, patch of snow. It's literally snow. Brasilia
See my shoe print?
had to get her little footprints and mark her territory.
Cause for real though, I really want to pick this up.
Oh, this is so nice. And then that's that little patch of
Can we
snow.
go over there? I want to walk in that snow.
We were taking a tour, baby. Let's go. Oh. Like, I hope it gets to the point where it's like a lot of snow, where we could actually make snowmen and everything. And then I'll have to come back, y'all, and make another vlog on that. But yeah, just another day living in our little apartment complex. The last time we had snow, we were in the house, and then I mean, that's up to you, baby. That's totally up to you if you want to make a snowball.
Are you recording me?
Yes, I am. You gonna make one or not? Naylani, it's on your hoodie. Y'all, I don't have nothing on my head, so I'm probably gonna have to
See
get
your eyelashes. Can I take a picture of you? I'm so cold. Okay. Take a pic of me too. Is your picture?
Y'all, it is cold. My hands are like freezing. Oh, this is my picture, y'all.
Y'all, this is my snowball.
That's nothing but mud.
Ew. It's still snow though.
It's nothing but mud. That's gross.
I'm in the snow. You wanna throw it on me?
No, don't throw that mud on her. But yeah, the last time we got snow, it was in the house. The house that we lived in before we got evicted. And that was like 2019.
Yo, that was Lil Baba.
And then we had
Lil Baba had ran
snow
and Baker saw
in the other low income apartments that we had. Back in, it was only them two born. So it had to be like in 2000 and probably like, oh my God, they were like 3 and 4. They were like 3 and 4 years old.
But we saw it
and they made snow angels and everything then. And then the first time I had Naylani, she was just a baby. And that was
the last time we seen it was at the old house and we was
yes, I said the last time we seen it was at the house before we got evicted. And then we was at the other apartments, and then the other time was you weren't even born, and then Naylani was born. And she was only like a few weeks old when because it snowed. I remember it snowed in like March or April. It was like springtime. That was really weird. But yeah, y'all, this is our little snowy day. It's all on the bushes. Oh, y'all know we don't know how to act. We capture every little moment. That's crazy. You see the snowflakes falling. Oh, my hands are so cold. Oh, they're cold. Yeah, y'all.
Okay.
I think I'm finna walk back to the house. My hands are freezing. I have nothing on my head. I'm walking back before I catch a cold. Come on, because I can't see y'all all the way down here. Just come on back. Like, have y'all gotten any snow? Like, if so, like, how much snow do y'all usually get? I think they said that we are getting, like, no more than about 2 to 4 inches, right? It's melting on my forehead.
It's everywhere.
It's poop. Oh, no. That's the only thing I hate about here. Like, no one takes their dogs. Everybody takes their dogs and just let them poop, like, right in the walkway area if you're walking outside. And they don't get it up. And then if you're not gonna get it up, just take them like to the wooded area and then let them go there. I don't know, but it be poop everywhere and nobody cares. Ooh, it is really snowing. This is like a beautiful thing. Thank you, God, for giving us snow. All right, y'all. Well, thank y'all for tuning in. And I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully, it'll be updated where there's more snow. But love you guys. Bye. And also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, hello. Welcome to the family. You missed.
I'm getting sick and I'm tired of living life. Why the footprint so big?
Are they mine? Look like they're mine. They're mine.
I'm asking.
Girl, I wear a size 10 shoe. Look at that. Giant feet. You know know what they say about girls with
go back to
BB.
the days where for you I
Woo!
was thirsty.
So
Okay,
what?
now, Lord, I apologize. Again, I crucified you. I try to fight it, but it's clear I need you to survive. So many times I tried with my own devices, but you told me everything I need you have provided. Blind to your love, was deaf to your call. I come before your throne of grace and I surrender all. Cause when I fall, you're there to catch me. So
This looks like a scene from the movie. I can't believe it's snowing. This car is covered. Almost. So beautiful. If only it snowed during Christmas time, that would have been so wonderful.
Every day I'm breathing, let your mercy shield me from all evil, cause it was you who found me. So when you just ground me, build a tower around me, goodness and favor around me, begging never allow me, never move on without me. If you move on without me, what is a death to drown me? Sometimes it gets so rowdy, my sunny days get cloudy, but with you I overcome. And I'll say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you see the best in me. That's why I call you Yahweh. That's why I call you Yahweh. When I'm walking through the valley, let me feel you next to me. That's my prayer. That's my prayer. Whoa, say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you see the best in me. That's why I call you Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. That's why I call you Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. When I'm walking through the valley, let me feel you next to me. That's my
If you said it, we believe it. If you said it, we believe it.